see him. He's coming. Dan, don't move. He's right in front of you to the left. You see him moving.
Oh yeah.
I didn't think I was gonna be able to get the gun up.
Awesome.
That was fun.
That was textbook.
I've never seen that before. It's so cool.
What time? What time is it?
I thought he was gonna bust.
6:05. We're 5 minutes late.
Oh shit, that's too cool.
Oh, that's great. Awesome, guys.
Thank you guys. That's fun. That was fun.
Perfect.
I've never seen that before. I've never had him come like that. Never seen him. We wouldn't have gotten a shot. The morning was made for me. I've never seen this. It's cool. When did you say shoot?
I did.
I figured.
I'm like,
We're running out of time here. Let's try.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Thank you. Thanks for the help. But now I gotta get my old ass up and go see my bird.
That was perfect.
Thank you.
Oh yeah,
I
no
appreciate
problem.
it. That was fun.